Welcome back everyone. In today's quick tips video we will discuss how to use the VersiFlex presets in Sawgrass Print Utility. When working under the print settings of Print Utility, you will notice a drop-down menu in the top right corner. This menu offers you a list of common VersiFlex projects. Selecting any of these options will automatically apply the correct mirror setting and product selection to your design. It will also change the paper type of your project to VersiFlex Light. This preset offers a quick and easy way to ensure the appropriate settings are applied to your project. Please keep in mind that if you need to make any changes to paper size or color management, you will still need to do so manually. If you are working with an option tray or a bypass tray, those options will also need to be selected manually underneath Media Source. We encourage you to take advantage of the VersiFlex presets as they are a great way to speed up your workflow and simplify the print utility process. That's all for today. See you next time.